Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel Plus Toy TV. So today let's looking for toy cars in the nursery plant. Okay, please come along with me to take a look at the cars in the nursery plant. Wow, look at this. Okay, we found one in here. This is the orange tree with the yellow car. Okay, this is the yellow car here. That is a brand new yellow car, speed bump yellow car, yellow car. Okay, keep looking some more. Okay, we found another one here in the tree nursery plant, and this is the green car, sorry, the blue car, all the blue car. Okay, let's look some more. Okay, orange tree, we found another blue car here. Look at this blue car here. Yeah, production made in China. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, let's find some more. And some more toy cars in the nursery plant. Okay. This is a jackfruit tree, and we found the red car here. Look at it, the red car. Modern 42 red car. It's a red car. And another one. Okay, found some one here. The orange tree. Another one here. Police car champion. Police car champion. Police car. Look some more. Okay, found another one here. Wow, that's nice. Look at this. Wow, champion. It's nice car. Nice car. Take a look some more. Keep looking for toy cars in the nursery plant. Okay, we found a red one here too. There is a red car. A red car. Ah, that's nice. Okay, let's look to what we have here inside. Okay, this is the modern 42 car. Wow, the red one. Red car. Red modern car. Wow, that's nice style. Okay, see more here. Wow. This is nice car also. Wow. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, they had the plate number at the back here. Wow, that's nice. Champion, that's what they mentioned it. Champion. Okay, see some more. The red one here. Okay, a red car. A red car. Okay, that's nice. Looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's amazing. Okay, here's some more. This is a blue one. Okay, blue car. Blue car. Nice. Wow. Blue car. Okay, you see the red one here? Red car. This is a power champion. What they call it, the power champion. Very nice. Looks gorgeous. Hot power. Okay. See more here? This is a blue one. That was nice. Nice car. Nice car. It's gorgeous. This is the last one here. This is the red one, the yellow one. Red car. It's a yellow car. Speed. Speed car.